I think you are so beautiful. You look so beautiful, but why are you wearing this mask? Is it a filter?
Because I'm too beautiful. Because
Okay.
I'm too beautiful. Are you from India?
No, I am not from India. I am next to India. I'm from next to India.
Where is it?
Okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Indonesia, isn't it?
I'm from Bangladesh, and India is our neighbor country.
Okay.
So where are you from? Could you
Never
please?
been there, but
Yeah, could you please repeat?
Brazil.
Brazil. Oh, I love Brazil. I love Brazil football team. Do you know soccer?
Yeah, of course.
I love soccer. By the way, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sports. Surfing.
Swimming. Okay, that's great. So how did you learn English?
Are you practicing English?
Yes, I'm practicing English, and your English is very good.
Okay,
Yeah, you can speak very fluently.
of course. Of course.
So did you take any course? I mean English course?
I studied in England, in London.
Oh, so where are you now? Are you staying in London right now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So how long have you been over there?
So, are you like 7 years?
Oh, okay. So what do you want to ask me?
Yeah. Are you still in uni?
Sorry?
I mean, are you students?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm a university student.
Yeah, that's what I asked. Uni. We usually say uni rather than just university students. Yeah.
So what about you? What are you studying? I mean, what's
about
your
me?
major?
Major, you mean?
I mean, what is your subject?
Yeah, I know. I'm considering how to answer this question.
Okay.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, well, my subject was pretty boring, so
What is
I
that?
prefer to study design.
Okay.
It's just all about like the business thing.
Okay. So I'm studying English literature, and I love English. That's why
Okay.
I'm practicing English.
Your
So
English
how
is
can
pretty
I,
good,
yeah. So how can I?
except like a little bit accent.
Yeah, actually, I want to be
What? How can you what?
fluent speaker. So what should I do? I don't know. So could you please tell me something? How can I improve my English speaking skill?
Just talk, listen, and talk. That's it.
Yeah, okay. And then how did you learn English? What was the process?
How do I do?
Yeah. How did you learn
Sorry,
English?
I can't hear you. Learning English. I just learn. I just talk. That's it. Probably I'm a genius.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
No, just kidding. Practice a lot. Yeah, honestly, I practiced a lot. I communicate with other like British a lot.
Okay.
I spent a lot of time in studying my English. It's not that good, but it's enough to use, honestly. So it's okay.
learning. So practice makes a man perfect. So I'm just practicing, and I think I will be better in future. Yeah.
You want to go to like other countries to study or to live?
No, not like that, but I'm learning English because of I love it, and yeah, you know that
Or you just
nowadays it
like
is
it?
very important to learn English because it's an international language as well, and my subject is English literature.
Okay.
That is why.
Yeah, I see. I see. So, what's your plan after graduating from university?
Oh no, not like that. So can I ask you some random
No, I
questions
mean,
like uh yeah?
like what?
So what is your full name?
Allison.
Okay, and how is it spelled? How is your first name spelled?
Just Allison.
Allison, like yay?
Lison.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who chose your name?
My parents.
Okay, that's cool.
Who's my parents?
Okay, so where were you born?
You mean where I born?
Yeah,
Brazil.
Brazil. Okay, so do you know Neymar?
Do-
Do you know Neymar?
What do you mean?
Neymar Junior. Do you know?
Yeah, I
He's a
know.
famous
The soccer
footballer.
player.
Yeah,
Yeah, of course. But I prefer Messi.
yeah.
I don't like Neymar.
Okay. Actually, Messi is my favorite player. One of my favorite player as well. He's very good at football, and I like Argentina team.
Yeah,
And
most of the people love Argentina.
and you know one thing that in my country, Bangladesh, most of the people are divided in two countries when the World Cup is starting. Like some people support Argentina and some people support Brazil.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And in my
That's
in my
cool,
country,
but
most of the
'cause
people like
I'm-
football. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That sounds good.
Yeah.
It's like the United Kingdom, like England. There's so many crazy fans of football.
Yeah, they are very good
Yeah.
at football and cricket, both. They can play both. Do you have any favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Color.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard. This question is so hard. Probably pink. I love pink personally.
Yeah, most of the girls like pink color, like you.
Yeah,
But why? I don't know.
yeah, it's pretty
Why?
good. I don't know, but probably because I'm old. When I was young, I hate color. I hate pink. I love black and white. But now I guess I'm older, and I find that pink is so lovely.
Okay. By the
Yeah.
way, how old are you? What about your age?
What do you think?
I think you are
What do you think?
20 or 21, like that.
No, I'm much older than that.
Then how old are you?
I'm 35.
Oh my gosh! But you don't look like that. You look so young.
Thank you. Because of the camera.
Yeah, by the way,
I
can you
lied to
guess
you.
my age?
Your age,
Yeah,
like
can you guess my
2021.
age? Yeah.
Yeah, 20 or 21, I guess.
No, I'm 24. Yeah,
Almost
but you are
the
guessing
same age.
very good at guessing. Okay.
Yeah, you said you're a university student.
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh, you are very intelligent. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have siblings?
No.
Okay.
Do you have
Yes, I have.
how many?
Okay. I have one brothers and a sister.
Mhm. Oh, that's nice. Because, like, my parents get divorced after I born, so that's why I have no siblings.
Okay. So it's really nice talking to you.
Yeah.
You are a very great person.
Okay. So do I. So is that finished? Or I don't know. I don't know what's your plan.
Yeah, it's okay. By the way, do you have a boyfriend?
Many.
How many boyfriends do you have?
5 to 10.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you have a 10 boyfriend?
Yeah. What? What do you mean?
Do you have a 10 boyfriend? Is it true?
Game boy? What is game boyfriend?
You said you have 10 boyfriend. 5 to 10.
Yeah. I have 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know Bangladesh?
I don't know. What is that?
Oh, it's my country name and it's next to India. Do you know India?
Yeah, I know India.
Yeah, okay. So it was a part of India.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And
So,
yeah. So
yeah.
what?
So where? So where?
So
What do you
what do
mean?
you
I don't
do?
understand, honestly.
What do you do in your free time?
Playing sports, talk with my 10 boyfriends.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
rushing time, always. Because I have 10 boyfriends.
Okay. But you look like
Yeah.
Japanese girl. Do you know that?
Japanese. Yeah, I have genetically, I
A
got
little
like
bit.
12% Japanese blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit Japanese blood. Because my great grandmother
Yeah.
was Japanese. Yeah.
Oh, that is why you look Japanese. And I think I'm guessing very
Yeah,
good.
and
I'm very good at guessing.
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
So I thought that I'm gonna propose you, but you have a lots of boyfriend.
Yeah. So
So So what?
So what? Welcome to subscribe Mr. Paul's English channel.